Welcome to Luto Inato. We created this channel for a cause to promote Filipino historical food culture and old-fashioned food traditions. We are advocates of Cebu Food Revolution to promote food as medicine, slow food movement to promote heritage food, and communities for alternative food ecosystems initiatives for health and sustainability. We are home chefs and we cook to make a difference.
Hello mga friends! I am Chef Sweetie of Luto Inato at your service. We are here again to teach you another heritage food that we Filipinos love eating so much. Okay, from the people of the Tagalog region, we have from the people of the Visayan Islands and the people of Mindanao. So this heritage food or a very special delicacy that we loved growing up, it's none other than the Budbud Balanghoy or the Suman Cassava. Okay, it's a delicacy made of freshly grated cassava root. So the ingredients would be the following. We have the freshly grated cassava, which we have extracted the juice. Okay, so naturally cassava contains cyanide compounds in its roots, so it's not safe for human consumption, so we have to squeeze it out. So our ingredients would be a very dry cassava. Next would be brown sugar. Then we have our fresh coconut meat, which we will be scraping the meat later. Then we have our coconut milk. Okay, so now we will be mixing this together, and I will show you how to wrap this eventually with our fresh banana leaves that we harvested fresh from the farm. Okay, so let me just tell you that how important it is to use so many fresh ingredients. You can buy cassava frozen, but then I recommend that it's good that we use the freshest one. Okay, it's just available locally. So okay, I recommend that you make suki with good farmers around you so that you can get the freshest vegetables that you need. We are so lucky here in the Philippines that so many farmers are just still tilling the land, as they still providing us with the freshest and the nutritious vegetables that our family needs. We should be thankful to them. We should love our farmers. And not only that, we should also know the benefits of or the nutritional values of all the ingredients that we will be consuming. It's better for our well-being. It's better for Mother Earth. Okay? Now we will be showing you how to incorporate all of these ingredients so that we can create the Budbud Balanghoy that we dearly love. Now we are scraping our coconut meat. Coconut meat is very rich in several important minerals, especially manganese and copper. Okay? Manganese supports enzyme protection and fat metabolism. And copper, by the way, assists bone formation. So coconut meat is very high in fats, but most of these fats are saturated fat that is good for our health. It boosts the HDL or the high density lipoprotein or the good cholesterol, and it reduces the LDL or the low density lipoprotein or what we have known as the bad cholesterol. Okay, now we will be mixing all our ingredients. We have our squeezed cassava or the grated cassava that we have squeezed out the juice. So you see, it's really dry. Cassava is known to have anti-cancer benefits. It is very rich in vitamin B17. It's a good compound that wards off cancer. It's a good source of vitamin C. Okay, cassava is good source of thiamine, riboflavin, and niacin. So look, it's really, really dry. Okay, so now we will be adding our brown sugar. Mix well together with the coconut meat. Okay, and your coconut milk. So mix well. Okay, now we will be cutting our wilted banana leaves or ang atong gihawag nga dahon, atong putol-putulon. Okay, around 6 inches. Here we have our mixture. Now we will be wrapping our grated cassava mixture into Budbud Balanghoy. Okay, so this is the right consistency that we have mixed, and we will be wrapping this. Okay, so you get a handful, just a handful, and then put on the leaves. Try to squeeze it and form it into a log. Okay, you try to roll it. I so love doing this one. See, look. Okay, so that's how it goes. You roll it like that and you get a log. Now you wrap it, you put it in the center, and then you roll. Now we have our budbud. You squeeze the end para ang unod sa laom matapok, o like that. Okay, that's how it goes. So make some more. Squeeze at the end. for na to steam, ato ni siyang higtan. Like this one. 2 banana, oh no, 2 balanghoy, or 2 budbud, or 2 suman. We will put it like that. Then ato ang higtan. We will use the leaves na wala na ito nagamit. We cut a small one piece, and then you tie. Okay, both sides. The purpose is para when you steam it, hindi siya mabungkag. Okay? Okay, there's a tendency na mabungkag siya or ma-open. Like that. So, it will be steamed looking like this. It's very secure. Okay? Now, we continue the other suman. Tie. Making a suman is very labor intensive. So it's a labor of love. See? Oh. So growing up, we are so used to eating this delicacy. Kay the people of our previous generation, they are very, very hardworking. But right now, this delicacy talagsa na lang. Okay? And usually, we can eat not from our own home. Usually, gipalit ra nato, o diba? So, this is our balanghoy that we have wrapped. So, we will be steaming this over a steamer. Okay? We'll be steaming this for 30 to 45 minutes. Okay, so putting there on the stove. So here is our budbud balanghoy that we just cooked. So I'll try to open one and see what it looks like inside. Ooh, eng. Oh my God! Kagpapa! Mga mami, mga friends, I would really recommend that you cook this at home. So thank you everyone for watching, and if you like our demo, please subscribe to our channel and share it to your friends. We make our videos fun and informative for everyone. Let us hear your feedback. Just comment below. See you next time!